In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a milestone in Wrike. Whether you're tracking a major deadline or marking a significant point in your project, setting up a milestone can help you visualize your progress and stay on track. First, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser. Type Wrike into the search bar and hit Enter. In the search results, you'll find Wrike's website. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on Try Wrike for free to set one up. Either way, you'll find yourself on the Wrike dashboard, ready to begin. Now, with your account open, navigate to the project where you want to create a milestone. This can be done in several views on Wrike, but today we'll focus on the task view or the timeline view, whichever you're more comfortable using. Both allow you to see your tasks laid out clearly, making it easier to decide which task you'd like to designate as a milestone. Once you're in the desired project view, look for the task you want to convert into a milestone. When you find it, position your pointer over the task's row and right-click. This action will cause a context menu to appear on your screen, presenting you with a range of options. From this menu, you'll need to select the option that allows you to transform the task into a milestone. Once selected, you'll notice an immediate change. The task will convert into a milestone, marked visually on your timeline as a flag. This flag serves as a significant marker, making it easily identifiable amongst other tasks. Creating a milestone is a fantastic way to highlight key achievements or deadlines within your project. Wrike's visual management tools make these markers easy to spot, helping you to keep track of important dates and goals without them getting lost amidst your ongoing tasks. Remember, milestones should be used to signify major points in your project plan. They're not meant for smaller, day-to-day tasks, but for moments that represent the achievement of critical goals or the completion of significant phases. Using them effectively can greatly enhance your project management approach. And there you have it. Setting a milestone in Wrike is as simple as that. With these clear markers in place, you can enhance your project's organization and ensure that everyone on your team is aligned with the primary goals. Make sure to review your milestones regularly as your project progresses, allowing you to adjust as necessary and maintain a clear path to success. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.